Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play PUBG Mobile with a controller. First, understand that official controller support for PUBG Mobile is limited. The game does not inherently support most standard Bluetooth controllers, meaning a direct plug-and-play experience is uncommon. This lack of native integration can make connecting your favorite gamepad seem challenging at first. However, with the right approach, you can still gain a significant advantage in your gameplay. To bridge the gap between your controller and PUBG Mobile, you will need a third-party key mapping application. These clever programs translate your physical controller inputs into the touch screen commands the game expects to receive. They essentially trick your phone into thinking you are tapping the screen, even when you are pressing a button. Many reliable mapping tools exist for both Android and iOS, often found through their respective app stores or dedicated online communities. Begin by connecting your Bluetooth controller directly to your mobile device via its system settings. Once paired, open your chosen key mapping application and add PUBG Mobile to its game library. The app will then display a virtual overlay of your screen, allowing you to drag and drop virtual buttons. You will assign each button on your physical controller to a corresponding on-screen action, like shooting, jumping, or moving, which is generally straightforward and intuitive. After setting up your basic controls, dive into PUBG Mobile's in-game settings to fine-tune your experience. Adjusting the sensitivity is crucial. Start with a moderate setting, then slowly increase or decrease it until aiming feels fluid and precise. Also, customize the in-game HUD layout, moving on-screen buttons to areas that best align with your mapped controller inputs. This ensures your virtual button placements are optimized, providing a seamless and responsive gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.